How's everybody doing out there tonight? Well, I'm Johnny B with all of his friends, and happy St. Patrick's Day out to everybody. We're doing it a few hours before because, some people like us have to work. So anyway, I'm going to cheers to even those who don't drink alcohol know that there is an alcohol-free Guinness. So, cheers, buddy. To the good times. And hopefully, you like the lights and everything. And I wore my Green Day shirt. That's something, If it's a Green Day, it's Irish, right? Even though I am Irish, and I do the best that I can to do what I have to do to celebrate, just like we all do. Don't worry, there's a drip pan below. Yeah. So anyway. As some people know and some people don't, if you're new to the channel or if you're not new, either way, we're still going to tell you how it is, because that's what we do here. And back in the day, if you scroll down throughout all my videos, I used to do cooking videos and whatnot, and I was very heavily inspired by G.G. Allen. The guy was a piece of shit, but his acoustic music completely changed my world. And of course we got to talk about him because that's what keeps me going, especially with the music. He lit up a fuse inside me that I could never even fucking imagine another musician doing. Even that to my favorite band, which is Pink Floyd. I mean, Pink Floyd have got me through everything. But tonight we're listening to Irish music because tomorrow, in a few hours, is St. Patrick's Day. And we are about to do something for the first time that I never thought I was ever going to do. Well, because I didn't think I would live this long. But at the same time, I did. So we're going to cheers to life and good health. Now, what we're doing for the first time is a corned beef that I threw in with potatoes, onions, garlic, cabbage, of course, the corned beef and whatnot. We're going to take this out and slice it, and hopefully it cuts good and looks good because it's been cooking for the past 18 hours. Here we go. We're digging it out for the first time I've ever cooked the corned beef. Fuck, it's hot. There we are. And of course, everything else has to come out, but take your time, one scoop at a time. Look at this. Look at that. How do you not want to cook? Look at that. Oh, keep that in this full body form for later. Oh my Lord, it smells amazing. Yeah, just to let you know, it fucking sucks. It sucks cooking corned beef. Fat dripped all over the place. It's all in the crock pot. It's all over the floor. All over the counters. I'm having fucking problems. Deal with this shit every fucking time. And it's only the first time. Just to get it fucking fit. Trying to get it fucking fit on the fucking bench. And you wonder why we have to drink during holidays to tolerate this shit. But I'm still having fun. That's just some of the things. Some of the characters inside me keep coming out, and I don't know why. Well, that's because you're getting that time again. You're getting to that time again. And what time is that? Don't even start with me. I got enough problems, as you can see. Oh my God, but look at this. Look at this masterpiece. That's what we're left with after 18 hours of cooking in the crock pot. And I'm so excited, everyone. It's been a journey cooking this for the first time. It's been 35 years since I've cooked corned beef. So I'm actually really excited. So just hold on to your caps. Hold on to your hats and your hair. and we will get back to you in about a minute. Now, what we're going to do first is keep everything in the form as the cabbage because you want it to look really nice, especially this slice. You see that? That is going to be a beautiful picture. And you throw all of your extras onto the plate. Now that we got everything situated, it's time to slice the corned beef for the first time. Oh my lord. Look at that. Just take a look at this. You see? Now that's where beauty comes from. Remember that. All I had to do was throw it into a crock pot. About a day later, this is what you got. So keep on going, man. Keep on trucking. You're going to do all right for yourself, if you know what I mean. And so there's our corned beef with potatoes, carrots, garlic, all that good shit. So just want to say thanks for watching. Cheers.